Installing a new door is a significant investment for any homeowner in Sugar Land, Texas. Whether you are replacing an old entry door, installing a patio door, or upgrading to something more secure and energy efficient, proper installation is crucial to ensure the longevity and performance of the door. Unfortunately, mistakes during the installation process can lead to costly repairs, security risks, and energy inefficiencies. To help you avoid these pitfalls, here are some common mistakes to watch out for during door installation in Sugar Land. Neglecting to choose the right door style. One of the most important aspects of door installation is selecting the right style for your home. Whether it's a solid wood entry door or a sleek modern steel door, choosing a door that complements the overall design and function of your home is essential. Many homeowners make the mistake of selecting a door solely based on appearance without considering factors like security, energy efficiency, and durability. In Sugar Land's climate, it's essential to select a door that can withstand the hot summers and occasional heavy rains. Fiberglass doors, for example, are resistant to moisture and temperature fluctuations, making them a smart choice for homeowners in the area. Additionally, consider whether you need extra features like soundproofing or added security, such as a reinforced steel core or multi-point locking system. Incorrect measurement. Proper measurements are crucial for a door to fit seamlessly into its frame. One of the most common mistakes during door installation is inaccurate measurement. If the door is too large or too small, it may not close properly, leading to drafts, security issues, or water leaks. Inaccurate measurements could also lead to misalignment, making it difficult to lock the door. Before you purchase a door, take accurate measurements of your door frame, including the width, height, and depth. Double-check these measurements to ensure accuracy, as even a small mistake can cause significant installation problems. If you're unsure about measuring, it's always a good idea to hire a professional installer who can guarantee the right fit. Poor weatherproofing. Weatherproofing your new door is especially important in Sugar Land, where the weather can be unpredictable. Failing to properly seal a door during installation can result in drafts, water damage, and increased energy costs. Weather stripping and caulking are essential for creating an airtight seal around the door to prevent hot air from entering in the summer and cold air in the winter. Make sure the weather stripping is applied around the edges of the door frame, and inspect the door periodically to ensure it's not deteriorating. A good seal also helps to prevent pests from entering your home. A professional installer will know how to install the right weatherproofing products for maximum efficiency. Improper door frame installation. Another common mistake is installing the door frame incorrectly. If the door frame is not square or level, the door may not open and close properly, and the door's performance can be compromised. An uneven frame can also put extra pressure on the hinges, leading to misalignment over time. It's crucial that the door frame is properly aligned and level before installing the door. Professional installers typically have the right tools and experience to ensure the frame is square, level, and sturdy. If you attempt to install the door yourself, take extra care to ensure the frame is in the correct position before securing it. Overlooking security features. Security is one of the most important considerations when installing a door, especially in areas like Sugarland, where homeowners prioritize safety. A weak or improperly installed door can be an easy target for burglars. Many homeowners focus solely on aesthetics without considering how to enhance the door's security. Ensure your door comes with a solid, secure locking system. Consider installing deadbolts, strike plates, and reinforced hinges for added protection. If you're installing a front door, you may want to opt for a door made of durable materials like steel or a reinforced wood core. These materials are much harder to break through, providing better security for your home. DIY installation without proper experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, installing a door without the necessary experience can lead to mistakes that may be costly to fix. Improper installation can affect the door's alignment, security, and weatherproofing, and it can even cause damage to the door or the frame. If you don't have prior experience with door installation, it's best to hire a professional installer. Professionals have the expertise, tools, and knowledge to complete the job efficiently and correctly. This way, you can avoid potential problems and ensure your door performs as expected. Conclusion: door installation in Sugarland is a task that requires attention to detail, proper planning, and the right tools. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your door performs optimally, enhances your home's curb appeal, and provides the security and energy efficiency you need. If you're unsure about any part of the installation process, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional installer who can guide you through the steps and ensure a successful installation.